Here are my real numbers. So is solar actually worth it? I'm reviewing my personal solar system 5 years later to show you real production, real savings, and what I'd do differently if I were starting today. So I installed my solar system. It's a 6.4 kW roof mount system in 2020. Keep in mind also that this is a small residential system. I use gas for heat, and so this system was originally designed to cover approximately 100% of my energy use. In September, they installed the system, and in October of 2020, that's when the system was finally turned on. And we did an analysis of these numbers almost exactly 5 years later. The numbers were captured in October, early November. I bought the system when I just moved in. I'd only been in the house for 6 months, and so I didn't have a full year of history for electric use, but I was able to estimate it in ballpark pretty well because for the majority of the 5 years, it covered more than 100% of my usage each year. When I signed up and decided to buy this system, and I will be fully transparent here, I did receive a discount on the system for being a Paradise Energy employee, and so the purchase price of my system was probably slightly less than a consumer would buy it themselves out there. That being said, it's not far out and it doesn't skew the numbers in any way, shape, or form. When I bought the system, they projected that based on the roof angle, the roof tilt, the shade, that my system would produce a little over 41,000 kilowatt hours per year. 5 years later, it produced 45,000 kilowatt hours per year, so about 9% more than what we projected. It also was projected to save me $5,780 over the 5-year period, and taking into account the rise in electric rates, it ended up saving me $6,300 in savings. The original projected ROI was 11.6% on average, and the actual ROI ended up being closer to 22%. My payback period when I bought the system was supposed to be 8 years, is what we projected, and taking into account the increased electric rates, the SREC values holding up, the payback period actually dropped to 6 years. And so another year or two and my system will be have paid for itself, and I'll have free electricity going forward. So what did my system cost in 2020, and what would that same system cost you if you bought it today? Well, I paid $17,320 for my system, or $2.71 per watt. If you were to buy the same size, similarly designed system today, it would cost you $20,700, or about $3.23 per watt. But that doesn't tell the whole story. If you remember, my ROI, the actual ROI for my system, ended up being about 21.92%. I received a 26% tax credit. The tax credit had dipped down in 2020 to 26%, and so I received that 26% tax credit, and today, you're not receiving a federal tax credit on your residential system. However, electric prices have gone up, and SRECs in Maryland have certainly gone up, and so the payback is not that dramatically different. Today's projected ROI is 15.93%, and the payback is about 8 years, which was the same projected payback as what I had with my system. Do I have any regrets, or would I have done anything differently? The reality is I would. In hindsight, I would have installed a larger system than what I did. I wish I would have had the foresight to think about electric vehicles or additional electric usage earlier on when I installed the system. I have considered adding on to my system, but it doesn't really pencil out at this point. It doesn't make a lot of financial sense. Number one, the tax credit's gone away, but that's not a big driving factor. To add on 2 or 3 kW to my system, they still have to do the majority of the work in terms of design and permitting and labor, and so solar systems scale. The larger they get, the less expensive they get. The smaller they get, the more expensive per watt they are, and it just doesn't at this point make a whole lot of sense for me to add on 2 or 3 kW to my system. If that changes in the future, I'll continue to reevaluate it. But that's the regret that I have, is not installing a larger system back in 2020 when we originally installed it. That's a real look at how solar has worked for me. And this isn't an outlier. Paradise Energy has helped thousands of homeowners and businesses across the Mid-Atlantic see meaningful savings with solar. If you're curious what solar could look like for you, start with our free estimator. In under a minute, you'll get a ballpark installation cost, ROI, and potential savings. And if you want exact numbers, our local solar consultants can build a custom quote so you'll know exactly what you're investing in. You can get started at paradiseenergy.com. But before you go, click on the like button and subscribe for more honest solar insights. Let us know in the comments below which of these numbers surprised you the most. Thanks for watching.